Are you excited?
Yes.
So we're literally under the Eiffel Tower right now. Good morning everyone, welcome to my second last day in Paris. Right now we are walking to the Eiffel Tower, just right there. And guys, the Eiffel Tower opened at 9 o'clock and there are a lot of people queuing at the moment. So I am literally running and walking and running and walking just to get in line. My cousin is still far at the back, so I have to be hurry. Oh. Are you excited?
Yes.
So we're literally under the Eiffel Tower right now. And there are a lot of people queuing. I think there are like 3 types of queue. This one to buy the ticket, the other one straight to the elevator, and I'm not sure what that one is, so hopefully we are at the right queue. We are waiting for the elevator at the moment, just right there all the way up. And initially we were thinking of taking the stairs and then do the lift to the top, but then I realized that we were queuing in the wrong section. We were at the lift only ticket queue, so it's like, okay, F it, we're gonna do that, even though it saves more time, but it does cost us a lot of money. Fortunately, they do have like the juice concession, so we got that. We only paid 12 and 70 cents euro, so that's the bonus. And right now I just can't wait to get right to the top and like take some good photos. Free Wi-Fi.
Ouais. 9. C'est sneakeré. Ah oui, j'aime bien d'habitude. J'aime bien d'habitude.
As you can see, it is already bright and I am so darkened. We are waiting for the next lift to ride to the top and lift to the top. Wow.
I don't think you can walk all the way.
Une belle vue sur Paris, un peu de brouillard dans le fond.
I'm literally scared to death. Man, this is legit. Oh, there's a football pitch. A couple of jellos as well. Oh, I very much appreciate it. You can see everything from here.
Oui, ça va.
There is.
Yes, yeah.
Can we get the lift down? There's an ancien one on the very
I think you're alright. On va arriver. Regarde.
The stairs are behind us. Oh, yep. And
That's not off. On voit bien la scène des lignes là. On va bien voir Notre-Dame de là-haut.
So we are right at the top deck. This is the west side. It took about a minute, just over a minute to get from the second floor to the top one, and then a 30-minute, did I just say minute? A 30 seconds from like the ground floor to the second floor. Guys, the view is quite amazing. So to go right at the top, we have to get extra stairs, of course, and whoa, this one no mirrors. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's quite scary from up top, and this is the east side. We were at the west side earlier, and my cousin's like getting her money worth, taking all the photos and the videos. Excuse me. Happy?
Did you see the bridge with the gold?
Unfortunately, you can still see the smog hovering around Paris. C'est Arc de Triomphe. Over there, the Arc de Triomphe. Okay, so we are back to the lower deck of the top floor, and it does give us like a different feel to it, because you know it has the protection wall, because up there you got nothing but meshes, and guys, the tower does sway, so my leg was like, oh, shaking a little bit, because you know, generally I am not afraid of height. I actually enjoyed it, but this time around it was like, oh, outside, not so good, right?
Look at all these stairs. I know. I want to take the stairs down.
Do you?
Yeah.
So obviously, at the second floor, you get to see a lot of things closer, like the river, some of the architecture around here, and yeah, it's a closer look. But guys, look at the top. Wow, right? Luckily we got here quite early in the morning, but look at the queue right now going to the top. There's a lot of people. Currently it is 10:45. Yep, it is 10:40 and we are planning to go back now. We've been here for like 45 minutes I guess. Wait, an hour? How long have you been here? She doesn't know. I think we've been here for like an hour now. Initially we were going to go straight down from second floor to the ground floor, but then we heard the elevator, the lift operator that said like the restaurant and then exhibition of the glass floor. Guess what? I am standing on one right now, and guys, it's not as scary as you might think, but yeah, let's have a look. Like, look at the queue, right? It's right over there, all the way. Guess what? My cousin is queuing up for the ice cream again. Like every time, right? She was like, do you know what? €3.50. It's nothing. I was like, €3.50. It's like $7 Australian for one scoop. So I don't know what flavor she's getting, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, the sun is so beautiful today. Since my cousin is enjoying her time with ice cream right now, I just want to take the time to say that, guys, I really recommend you guys to come here at like 9 o'clock or 9:30 at most, because the queue is much shorter and there are less people, obviously. Since the tickets are so expensive, you know, over 10 or 20 euros, take your time, enjoy the view. I would recommend to go right at the top first, where you got less people, and then work your way down to second floor and then the first floor. I would suggest take around 30 to 45 minutes, and us, like, we really take our time. We've been here for like an hour and 15 minutes already. Right now it's like 11 o'clock. We've been here since what, 9:30, 9:45. So after this we're going to go downstairs and like walk around and then go to Arc de Triomphe or Arc of Triumph, and yeah, take some more photos. Remember earlier in the morning where we got into the wrong queue? We meant to stand over there, the south one. That's where they have escalators. You mean like the stair? And we were queuing for the lift, so unfortunately we lost money on that one. But anyway, right now we are going to find some park, maybe have a picnic, sit down, relax for a while, and then continue our quest. Today, 25th of October. What am I saying? Today is 25th of August, and they're doing something at the moment, so I'm not quite sure what is going on. There's like cameras, TVs everywhere, and there's some firemen as well. So we're going to check it out like real quick, see what's going on. So according to the Eiffel Tower website, today is a celebration on the August 25th, 1944. 6 Parisian firefighters braved shots from German soldiers to hoist the 3-colored flag to the top of the Eiffel Tower. So today they celebrate that. They do a ceremony to remember that event. That's why they're doing all sort of this stuff right here under the Eiffel Tower. By the way, guys, we are so glad to have bought the lift tickets. Otherwise, you know, like walking up the stairs, it's such a long way up, just too much of energy and time. By the way, we were planning to see the ceremony, but it takes a while. Like, people are still coming, and it's currently like 11:45. We just don't want to wait, and yeah, just like we are going now, leaving the Eiffel Tower. Bye bye.